This video provides information on the configuration of Engagement Messenger. Configuration for Engagement Messenger is an easy, low-code, no-code setup. System administrators can create and save configurations for Engagement Messenger modules. We're logged in as a user with the admin role. Here's a list of modules that have already been set up. Let's look at the Solana Secure module. Across the top, we see the configuration steps in the guided setup. We've already given our module a name and description. The next step is to configure the appearance of the module, including the logo, the launcher icon, the colors and theme, and the font. Advanced styling configurations are also available for chat. We can preview the module to review the changes in real time. Next, we configure the behavior. Here are options for notifications, sounds, and tracking. We can enable recommendations to present relevant knowledge or catalog items. To prompt user engagement after a period of inactivity, we select Proactive. This enables the system to recommend actions for the user to take. Features or cards determine which actions are launched. Here we can toggle individual cards on or off. Configurable cards let you add and customize features that are not available by default. When turned off, the preview reflects our change. After we've configured Engagement Messenger, we implement it. It generates the code for our website, which we can email to the website administrator. The final step is to save the changes. Creating the module is a one-time effort. Future changes will be reflected without redeployment. With Engagement Messenger, your organization can leverage existing capabilities to deliver self-service capabilities to customers in an easy-to-configure process. To learn more, see our product documentation or knowledge base, or ask a question in the ServiceNow community.